How to fix Sark Robot Bros Roll Stock Error 4. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Binvisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix a Robot Bros Roll Stock Error 4. First things first, we'll have to understand what the error basically means. Typically, the Robot Brush Roll Stock Error 4 indicates that the rolling brush on your robot vacuum is stuck, preventing it from spinning freely, and it is usually triggered by a buildup of debris like hair or string tangled around the brush or an object caught in its path. Error 4 is a common code across many robot vacuum brands signifying this issue. Now, how to fix this? You want to first clean the brush roll. Remove the brush guard and roller brush from the robot. Use scissors to carefully cut away any hair or debris tangled in the bristles. Check for any damage to the brush roll or its bearings. You can also look for obstruction. Check for obstruction. Inspect the suction inlet for blockages. Look for any object stuck in the brush roll or around the brush housing. You can clean the brush joints or replace the brush roll only if necessary. This is how you can fix the Robot Brush Roll Stock Error 4. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.